Hello my people, is it gay loved P. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on this wig, this lace frontal. Yeah guys, it's very easy. You can learn from it, you can learn from it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more video like this. Like and share. Please do not forget to subscribe to Loved P Beauty YouTube. Please, thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.